This is our practical app of deep learning group assignment. And next I will introduce for this group assignment. And as you can see, this is all of our project scripts. And we split our group assignment scripts into 6 sessions. And the first session is about loading the dataset. And we use the dataset. We use these datasets and we do some defining data pre-processing transformations and to let our models get more information about our datasets and make our models have a best performance about predicting the datasets labels and something. And next we setting the batch size and the categories and respectively loading the training datasets and the testing datasets. And also we defining our categories and also in our this datasets we have 100 categories and we need to respectively define of categories name. And this is what we do in the first sessions. And the next session is about defining a CNN network. And we use the technologies of CNN to complete our this group assignment task. Yeah, as you can see, we made a very deeply CNN network. Yeah, because we have a complex dataset because our dataset has 100 categories, and so we need to make more complex CNN networks to complete this complex task. And we also define the methods of forwards, and we create our network models, create our CNN model. And this is what we do in the second session. Yes, we have a GitHub project and we have a image showing the process, showing our designings our designing CNN networks. This is like the process, our CNN, how it works about our CNN network. And in the third session, we define some main functions like training models and also our calculating the methods of calculating training accuracies, test accuracies, and saving models and train graphics and so on. Yeah, this is the functions about saving models, and this is about functions of calculating test accuracies and calculating the train's accuracies. And next, this is the main functions about how we train our models. And in the average epoch, we calculating so many the batch image, and we do the average about so many batches images in one in batch in poach number, and then we will calculating the chance accuracies and the test accuracy and respectively and add our values and chance accuracies test accuracy into our variables. And because next we will make the photos and to see our model's performance. Yeah, and the next script is about our early stopping mechanisms. And as you can see, if our test accuracies in this approach didn't have any better performance compared with the last approach, and then we will add one values into our variables of no improved impulse. And if we have a better performance, and we will assign the zeros into our variables and renews to calculate. And as you can see, we have two main early stopping mechanisms, and if our variables of no improved impulse equals greater or equals to the patients, and as you can see, when we define the chance functions, we assign a default values 5 into these variables, and if you call these functions and giving the patient's values to our functions, and we will use the variables values you provide. And if you didn't provide, then we will use the default values. And also the loss threshold is like this. It's the 7 minutes. And if we greater or equals, then the 5, yes, the default, because the default values is 5, and we will break our training process. And the second stopping is our average loss is less than the loss threshold values, and we also will break our training process. And we will, yes, the next script is about making photos to showing the change of test accuracies and trend accuracies and loss values as our epoch numbers increasing. And the next script is about testing a batch of data. Yes, we just make predict about the first 100 image by using our training model. Yeah, and in the last step, we just we also make drawing pictures to better show the performance. And the last sessions is our main programs entrance. We set our epoch numbers assign values of 50s to our variables of epoch num, and we just give these variables into our function string, and we can have 4 variable results, and we just making photos and finishing our trainings. And in the last we will test the accuracies by using the data sets of testing, and we will roll the models with trainings and also test the first 100 pictures. And yes, as you can see, we have some output results when we're training our models. And as you can see, the epoch 1, so we have the loss values, and for every epoch we have output the loss values, training accuracies, and the test accuracy. Yeah, so let me show some charts and the results pictures in our GitHub project readme files. Yes, as you can see, the pictures is showing our chance accuracies values and test accuracy value, loss values as our epoch numbers increasing. And yeah, actually these photos is about the best model our we trainings. And we have tried a lot of experiments. We changed the different parameters to training our models, and in the last we use these parameters to get these uh, best performance models, and we just made the models for into our README files. Yeah, and also we use the best performance models to predict results. Yeah, as you can see, this is the results we predict. And I think this is all my introductions about our practical app of deep learning group assignments. So thanks for your watching.